the video quality is not going to be great because it is dimming down here. It's actually, believe it or not, it's brighter in my video than it actually is outside, which is kind of funny. Yeah, I guess that must just be the clarity. Like the snow was so much whiter on my screen. But yeah, so we are just along our walk, and we are heading back because it is starting to dim, and I don't want to be out here, even though these guys are big dogs. I just really don't want to risk coming across a coyote, so because it is coyote kind of season. I don't know why, but fall and spring I think is sort of the worst times to come across them. Spring I think because it's mating season. I heard it. Fall is mating season as well, but then I think they're also trying to fatten up for winter, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, and these guys kind of are acting a little different, I think. They're not as, like they're a little leery as well. It's kind of what I sense. Like they're kind of like, oh, it's kind of dim out here. They probably sense a lot of stuff during this time as well that I'm not sensing, obviously, because I'm not an animal. There's Chewy there going in and out. There's Luna. Good job, guys. All right. Let's head her back. Good job. And they are sticking pretty close. So, I think, you know, they sort of have intuition. Like there's Chewy, there's Luna, Murphy, and Maggie. Yeah. Good job, guys.